dream about my best season. My best season is summer because summer is hot and I can play in a pool. The worst season is winter because I hate the cold. Outside there are always strong winds and I can't play soccer with friends. This is why I hate winter, but my favorite season is summer. I have two reasons why. My first reason is that I can go to the sea. For example, when I go to the beach, I can swim in the sea and play with my family. We make sand castle on my sister and go to the hotel to eat dinner, play video games, and sleep. One day I went to the beach. We wore swimsuit and dove into the water, and we took a shower and went to sleep. My second reason is that I can play soccer, watch the rain, because I like soccer. I also like hot and rainy days. I watched the rain in the summer. It was rainy. I was playing soccer and I saw lightning. I was screaming for a second because I heard the thunder. In conclusion, my best season is summer because it is hot outside and I can play in a pool and I can play soccer and watch the rain. Summer is the best. Thank you for listening to my presentation.